Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice Every Day, part of the Best Way series. I'm Kevin, and I'm really excited about today's topic.
And I'm Jane. It's great to be here with you, Kevin, and with all our wonderful listeners. How are you doing today, Kevin? Feeling ready to chat about English?
I'm doing great, Jane. Thanks for asking. I actually had a really nice cup of coffee this morning, and it helped me feel super energized. So, yes, totally ready to dive into some real English conversation practice.
Oh, a good coffee makes all the difference, doesn't it? I just had some delicious toast for breakfast. Simple, but good. You know, speaking of simple things, today we're talking about something very important for English learners: daily use sentences.
Exactly. Daily use sentences are like the building blocks of everyday conversation. These are the short, common phrases you hear and use all the time, from good morning to thank you or how are you. They help us connect with people.
That's right. And for beginners, mastering these sentences can really boost your confidence. You don't need complicated grammar to start speaking. Let's start with greetings, Kevin. What's a very common way to say hello in the morning?
Oh, that's an easy one. Good morning. You can use it when you see someone for the first time in the morning, and in the afternoon, you say good afternoon and good evening later.
Perfect. Now, listeners, try saying them out loud with us. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very good. What about after a greeting? What's the next thing people usually ask?
Usually, they ask about your well-being. The classic is how are you? It's so simple, but so useful. And how do you answer that, Jane?
Well, you can say, I'm good, thanks, or I'm fine, thank you. Sometimes, if you're not so good, you might say, I'm okay. It's polite to also ask them back, and you, or how about you?
Yes, always remember to ask back. It shows you care. So, let's practice this. I'll ask you, Jane, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, Kevin. And you?
I'm great. See, it's a full mini conversation. Let's move to politeness. What do you say when you need to get someone's attention or pass by someone in a crowded place?
Excuse me. That's a super important one. You can also use it if you want to politely interrupt someone, like to ask a question. And if you make a small mistake, like accidentally bumping into someone, you say,
I'm sorry. Short and clear. Excuse me for getting attention or passing. I'm sorry for a small mistake. Got it. Now, one more crucial daily sentence. What do we always say when someone helps us or gives us something?
always say thank you. And the common response is, you're welcome. These two are so simple, but they make a big difference in how friendly and polite you sound.
Totally. So let's recap some of these important daily use sentences. We learned good morning, afternoon, evening, how are you? I'm good, thanks. Excuse me, I'm sorry, thank you, and you're welcome.
That's a fantastic start for anyone learning English. The key is to practice them every day. Try to use them whenever you have a chance, even if it's just speaking to yourself. The more you say them, the more natural they'll feel.
Absolutely. And we want to hear from you. What's your favorite daily use sentence in English? Or maybe a sentence you use often? Let us know in the comments below.
Yes, we love reading your comments. Your practice helps everyone in our community. If you found this episode helpful, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our English Practice Everyday channel for more lessons, and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
Thanks so much for joining us today on English Practice Every Day. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll be back soon with more great English tips. Yes.
Bye for now, everyone. Have a wonderful day, and keep those English conversations